The locals call this place Edinburgh, but I can't seem to change it because I've been calling this place Edinburgh. I guess it doesn't really matter what's the right way to call this place. The fact that I'm sharing this video today is I want to show you how Edinburgh completely surprised me. I didn't know much about this city before visiting, but it turned out to be one of the highlights of our UK trip. If you are planning a visit, here are a few things that really stood out to us and some tips you want to know before you go. If you are visiting London, it's really worth it to make a trip to Edinburgh because the flight is just about an hour, and the moment you land, you can already feel the city's charm. There's a bus that will drop you right at the city center from the airport, which takes only 30 minutes, and this makes it super easy to start exploring. One of the best views is from Calton Hill. It's a little hike up, but from the top, you'll see the whole city laid out like a painting. Going up the hill.
Maybe it's a little slow if you walk backwards.
Backward is too slow. Oh my god. Everywhere it's like a painting. So pretty. Very green too.
I don't see any painting though.
Don't you see the buildings? They look like painting. They're just so pretty.
They look normal to me.
Love to appreciate.
No, I only appreciate. But in my eye, I see it like normal.
Okay. Out of breath. Honestly, being here, it feels like stepping right into a storybook.
Show us what you found, Chase. Let's see it. Let's see it.
Yeah.
Wow. Emeralds, right?
Edinburgh is a very walkable city, and that means lots of stairs and uphill streets. So be sure to wear comfy shoes because exploring here is really about walking.
I hope so. Oh, we're going back down. No, there's a bridge up there, babe. We have to take these steps up. It is these stairs. It's all the way to the top.
Do you want to cross that bridge? Oh, I hope we don't.
That's Scotland.
I hope we don't have to walk back down.
It's all hills. Take a break, yeah. Coming from down there.
We even found a ramen spot called Ikigai, which instantly caught my attention because I love the book Ikigai. It's a book about finding reason to wake up every day happy, inspired by the Japanese way of living. And honestly, this place captured that feeling perfectly. The food was pretty good too. Of course, if you're planning Edinburgh visit, you can't miss the castle and the stunning churches throughout the city. And honestly, every corner here feels historic, like the whole city is alive with stories. I came here not knowing what to expect and left absolutely blown away. If you are visiting the UK, make sure Edinburgh is on your list. It's a city full of charm, character, and surprises.